Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 8 ball pool coins. So let's begin. First of all, open your 8 ball pool application. So here on the right top, as you can see, the coin section. So as you can see, I have 990 coins available. Now here on the free reward section, tap on this top. So as you can see, you can get free coins by watching ads or connecting through Facebook. So you can watch ads of 15 to 20 seconds and you can earn a lot of coins. The next thing you can do is log in with Facebook. So tap on login with Facebook. So you must log in into your Facebook account in your Facebook application at first, and you can directly continue. So it will take some time. It is getting loaded. So as you can see, the coin has been credited. We can collect it easily. So this is how you earn or get more coins in 8 ball pool. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.